single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi YouTube family, you're welcome back to my channel. So what do I have today? I have my Nigerian food. I have a lot here to eat, so before I share this with you guys, so first, have you subscribed to my channel? Oh no, don't tell me you've not subscribed. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell, so you get notified when I shoot the video. Yes, when I shoot the video. So the last time I came online live stream, so there were much people didn't turn up. Good, yeah, my first live stream, so sometimes it happens that way. So I have my drink here. My local made drink is Pepsi. Yeah, Pepsi, wherever. So this is locally made here in Nigeria. I think we have international Pepsi. I don't know about that, but I'm sure of Coca-Cola. So this is what I'm going to be taking this afternoon. Lunch time is ready. So now let me pray and take this because I am hungry. Yeah. I have coleslaw. I have plantain. This is the ripe plantain. Then I have what they call inshon. Is not a red meat because I don't actually like taking red meat. I don't really like red meat. Then I have my rice. So everything here is just on top of my rice. This is my jollof rice. So if you don't know how to prepare jollof rice, I guess there are videos for that on how to prepare jollof rice. Lots of videos on YouTube to know how to prepare jollof rice, so it's not really like a big deal on how to prepare it. So this is my jollof rice. Maybe dry. Then I have my coleslaw. So I have my cream in here, and there's cream, there's cucumber, there's cabbage, there's carrots. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. I have my plantain here. I like ripe plantain. I don't like the green plantain because I have issues with whenever I take green plantain, I have issues with using the restroom. No, when you want to, I don't want to sound it. When you want to, so if I take the green plantain, I find it difficult to, yeah. That's why I go for the ripe one. Makes it easier for me too. So everything here, I got it from a local, one Mama Iyabo somewhere. Are they Yorubas? No, I don't think so. I think they are Togolese, yeah. They are from Togo. They prepare nice stuff here because we have a lot of Togolese here in Lagos. They have all these local restaurants just by the roadside. A bit neat. The place is not rough. So they sell nice food, very cheap, affordable, good. Same price with what they sell in Kilimanjaro. What's this place called? Mr. Biggs, KFC. Just the difference is maybe they don't sell meat pie, they don't sell barbecue chicken. There are so many stuff that they don't sell there. But if you want a good jollof rice, coleslaw, plantain, and good Asian meat, So you get it from all these local people, and most times it's all these Togonese that they do it, because we have a lot of Togonese restaurant here in Lagos, Nigeria, so they are much here. So I'm at the office and you can hear the noise. Crazy. So crazy. This is my plantain. What does it look like? Tastes good. Ouch. 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 I'm not taking it immediately. So what I usually do when I'm taking Pepsi is after opening it, I'll just let the gas just go out a bit. Just go out a bit before I take it. Yeah, no, most time I don't take this all the time, yeah, because gas is just too much. But today I said I want this today. And moreover, I wasn't having much cash with me, so I don't have much to spend today. I said, let me leave this fizzy or go for something cheaper. Well, most times you just hype, most times you just try to be real. Yeah, because you can't hype all the time now. Sometimes you can be broke, sometimes there'll be money. So, what is it? I beg you, freestyle job. No time for nonsense. I'm sorry I'm not talking now because I'm really enjoying this thing. This is one of my best food. Crazy people out there. So for the coleslaw, it's not a difficult thing. Very easy to make. This is my white meat. In Lagos here we call it inshon. Then why in Benin they call it abodi. Yeah, abodi. Because I grew up in Benin City, Edo State. Yeah, I'm originally from. Let me leave that details for. I need to do get to know me tag. Yeah, I will do that, but not now. Is there any question you want to ask me? You can ask. yeah, I'll attend to you. I'm so sorry, my camera is just cutting off my head. Just have to bear it. Whenever I'm eating, I like my meat to be the last thing I eat. I make sure I finish everything before I eat my meat. It's always the last to eat there. And they have this leaf in it. I guess it's called rosemary leaf or so. I'm not eating it. So, time to take my meat. So that is all for today. My drink, I still have a long way to go with my drink. So that's all for today, guys. I enjoyed my lunch, my jollof rice, coleslaw, plantain, and mission. I really enjoyed it. If you know you've eaten this kind of combination before, just drop a comment in the comment section, let me know. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.